Welcome to NKUST Qijing campus, which is a medical school. Let's go in and have a look. Follow me.
Yingxue was a famous Chinese teacher. He taught people to be kind and respect. His ideas are still important today.
Welcome. This is the most special of our school. We have our art harbor, and it's also where we stand up for our internship. Okay, let's go to the other place.
Teaching building. Ship machine internship factory. Wind industry train base. Boiler train factory.